Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy. I'm back for another video. Yes, another video for you guys, another unboxing. I didn't expect to do another unboxing for you, but I haven't been behaving lately with my shopping. Oh, I need to work harder, do more overtime because I've been using my credit card a lot. But you know, you only live once. If you don't like this kind of unboxing videos, feel free to exit out. But for bag lovers like me, you can stay and enjoy the unboxing with me. So yes, unboxing again. This is a smaller box. When I received this box, I was surprised it's small. I'm expecting it to be a little bigger than this, but we'll find out what's inside. So if you want to see what's inside this box, please keep on watching. But before we start, welcome. I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing, and for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. Yes, let's do the unboxing. A little story behind. Let's do a little story time. But if you want to skip this part, I'll timestamp it on the description box below. I've mentioned a couple of times that I belong to a Coach Facebook group. By the way, this is not a Coach bag. I think Coach Gone Rogue is for the Coach bags, and CGR 2.0 is for the non-Coach bags. So they posted there that US dollars is the same conversion to euro. So 1:1. And they found that harrods.com, like the price of the bags there, cheaper. You will be saving like $600 or $500 if you buy through the Harrods website. So I was surprised, like, okay, if you're gonna save $500 to $600 for a bag, why not purchase from there? So I checked the website and compare it to the price of this bag here. You will really save around $600 for this bag. So this is a YSL bag. So not all of the YSL bags are about 500 to 600 discount. Some of them will be probably 300 or 200 depending on what item you're looking at. I saw a wallet there, like their card case. It is probably 275 here in the US, and it was priced there 207. And the one I got from Farfetch, another wallet from YSL, is around 400, and it was 297 there on the website. So right now the exchange rate when I look is €1 is to 98 US dollars. It's still priced good. I've seen some prices that already changed, like the puffer medium one. It was 2,300 when I checked it. It is now 2,500. So I don't know if the exchange rate affects the price on the website as well. But when I got this one, it's really a good price compared to the American retail price. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. I was surprised this was tiny. I am expecting a bigger bag than this size because it says the size of this bag says medium. So I was expecting a little bigger than this one. So here it is. So I'll be telling you the price of this bag as we do the unboxing. Card unboxing. Ooh. So there you go. That's the company I ordered it from, Harrods. And then sneak peek of what I got. It's a Saint Laurent bag. Oh, this is nicely packed. I wish they would have put it in a box, you know, the Saint Laurent box, but it has substantial weight to it. I gotta, let's see what else is inside this box. Let's put it down. This is my return shipping label, and then this is my receipt. Okay, let me put glasses here. They don't add any like tax to it. It's just a shipping cost. You pay shipping cost. Their shipping cost is $30. So this is a card from them. This is Harrods. And then let's see what's inside. Oh, cute. Oh, they asked if I want it as a gift. Yeah, look at this one. What is the purpose of this? A gift for you. And let's open this. Ah, oh, so it's like a paper there, and I write there happy birthday. My birthday is on December, but it's for me, so I'll put it as a birthday gift for me. So there you go. The price on this receipt is different from what I paid, so I'll show it to you. The item I got, Saint Laurent, and the price on this receipt is $1825, but the price I paid is $2026, and no other tax included. Whatever is on the website, the website says $2026, and then plus $30 shipping cost. There's no extra tax. Yeah, even here it says $0 and 0% VAT. I have to check my PayPal, because I use PayPal to pay for this, because PayPal, if you spend more than $100, you can pay it within 6 months without interest. That's how I purchased my bags, 6 months to pay. So I have to check if the same price as this one. But let's proceed to our bag. Ooh, are you excited? Look at that. It's heavy, a little heavy. There you go. Ooh. Oh. Oh, weird. It's a mixed reaction. Wow. It's a wow and wow. I don't know. Is it the leather? It feels different. The leather feels different, but look at that. It's wrapped in its factory wrapping. Ooh, you're making carrots. You're gonna make me order more from you. This is so nice. You're here, bird. But yeah, look at that. This is the medium college bag. Is that how you pronounce it? I know when you read the word college, it's pronounced college, but I've heard people saying it differently. Let's look at the name. Let's look at the name of this bag. So this is YSL bag, a medium college poncho, dark beige. But that's the price. This is so nice. So let's open it. Look at that! Look at that. It's all brand new from the factory. I am so happy. Happy with this purchase. I've been eyeing this college bag for a while now, but I've been watching videos and saying, though it looks bigger than the medium, like small Lulu bag, but it still fit less items compared to the Lulu bag. So I'm trying to, like, okay, hold all, like, trying not to buy this bag because of the reviews I've watched. But comparing the price of this bag here in United States, this is $25.90 without tax. So wherever you live in the United States, it depends on what tax they will add to that. I'm in Washington State, they will add 10.12%, something like that. So to $25.90 plus 10% will be what? Almost $2,900. And this one, I bought it from Harrods website, and it is priced at $20.26 plus $30 shipping, so I paid $20.56 for this bag. I'm eyeing for another one, which is, oh, I'm being so bad, but who knows the price. I've heard this August the YSL, Chanel, Louis Vuitton are going to have another price increase, but I'm not sure about that. But that's what I heard. They're going to have another price increase. So let's remove this one. I'm so happy. All I can say, I'm so happy I was able to get this. Wow, I'm eyeing for the envelope bag, but I cannot decide what color to get because I've seen the black. I already have a black YSL bag, but I saw their blue bag is really like catching my eye, so I don't know if I wanna get the blue one. I like that this one has detachable strap. I'm not going to remove the top handle strap yet because I want to inspect this bag behind camera, like after filming this, if I see any problems, because I don't want to remove all the packaging and then later on I will just return it. So if I see any problems with this bag, then I will return it, but if I don't see anything, I'll keep it. Then I'll keep you posted. keep you posted. Yeah, I'll keep you posted. So it has a top handle, and the top handle is not detachable. The long shoulder strap is mixed chain strap and leather, which are removable. That's a good thing. It's a plus, but overall I like this. This is in the brass, like vintage gold. Is that how they put their name on this one? Vintage gold hardware. Looks like that. This is the side. This is the back. I like that it has a back slip pocket. Ooh, that's a plus. The other side, and it has no feet. Just letting you know like why my reaction earlier was like excited, and because the first glance of the leather, it looks so like vintage old, you know, like when you see an old wrinkled skin. That's how I see it, like old wrinkled leather. I don't remember what kind of leather they use for the college bag, but just, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but that's how that's my initial reaction when I saw the kind of leather. It's like wrinkly, because you know, if you've seen the card case, the Matelassi card case, is different texture than this one. I think that card case is more like caviar-y, like Chanel caviar leather-y kind of material. So I was expecting it would be the same as this one, but it's not. But still, this is a good looking bag. I'm happy. I'm happy. So let's take a quick look at the inside of this bag. It's strong magnetic closure. It still has that plastic on the magnetic closure, and this is what it looks like inside. There you go, two compartment and middle zip compartment. Wow. And it comes with that card from YSL. So that's it for our unboxing for today. So I will keep you posted what my decision will be, if I'll keep it or return it. But so far so good. I'm looking into keeping this bag, and oh my god, I might get another one from Harrods before the price increase. But what can you say, guys? Do you like it? I like it. The color, I have the puffer, small puffer, and it says they're beige as well, but this color looks different than the small puffer. That's it. Let's do a quick try on this bag.
눈을 뜨자마자 느낀 설레임
So that's it, guys, for our unboxing video for today. I'm so happy with this purchase. So if you happen to like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!